Hey everyone, I have my preschool curriculum right here, so I thought I would take this opportunity to show you guys what's inside. So in the first box, you're going to find the Start Here folder, and this is going to have your preschool goals and assessment pages. Because this is a parent and child-led curriculum, you want to make sure you're always progressing. And then a what's in this box page and how to use this curriculum, and some QR codes for downloading the app to access the vault, which is just some extras that go along with this, like videos and product recommendations and stuff like that. Then you're gonna find a dry erase pocket and markers so that you could reuse activities. And my preschool planner. So this is how you're gonna stay organized all year. You're gonna find annual snapshots, just to give, like if you wanted to do an annual snapshot, and a monthly overview. So if you wanted to plan out your year and then your month, this is an example. And then in the back, you're gonna break it down by week. And then you have all of the subjects that you need to cover for each week. Next, you're gonna find this morning focus board. It's all pieced together in here, but I have an example right here. This is what you're gonna use. You're gonna customize it however you want. If your child needs to focus on something for the day or for the week, or if you just wanna focus on just something random because they're still learning, you could piece it together however you'd like. So this is just like a little overview. Next, I have my Pre-K the Fun Way activity book. This is where you're gonna find all of the hands-on activities. You're also gonna find the goals and assessment page in here and all of the activities. And you'll see that it's color-coded based on the subject. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill out the planner, and then you're gonna come back here with your child and you're gonna open it up to the front pages. So let's say you're gonna work on patterns, and you're gonna come here and say, okay, which one of these pattern activities do you wanna do? So there's graphics to explain what the activities are so they could visually see it instead of having to read it. And then you're gonna fill it out on the planner, get the activities, go in the back, and then find what you need to do the activities. There are also pages in the back to fill out your own activities if there's something that you really like that you don't want to forget. So everything's gonna be in here. There's also pages in the back that give you all of the tips and tricks and all the information you need for all the subjects and different things to make this curriculum the best that you can make it for you and your child. So in that book, there are a lot of activities, and a lot of them are hands-on activities that you use things from around your house, but there's also printed activities. And so you're gonna find all of the printed activities in this folder, or in these folders. So you're gonna have Play-Doh mats, goldfish activities, bingo, board games, some number puzzles, and some pepperoni pizza, counting activities. All of the printed activities that are in that book are going to be in these folders. I also have a bonus activity folder, which is emotion Play-Doh mat pages. And then on top of that, we have some Play-Doh mat folders for different subjects. I have alphabet pages in here to do alphabet art, some blank calendars, and don't worry, everything's in this book to show you how to use the blank calendars and some different activities you could do with the blank calendars. Dot marker pages, coloring book pages, and the coloring book is going to have a coloring page for each letter, an animal, and you can write the animal's name. Next, you're going to find posters. So we have alphabet, uppercase, lowercase, both with sound, pictures by itself, counting to 100, 1 through 10 with counting, colors, days of the week, months of the year, weather, learning left and right, emotions, and some different shape pages. More shape pages, sight words, holidays, and seasons. So you're gonna get all these posters laminated. And then even though kids learn best through hands-on activities, I still included 2 workbooks, and I have them in folders with page protectors because I wanted you to be able to use the dry erase markers and use them over and over again. So I'll flip through it really fast so you can kind of see what's in here. And this one. So there's a few pages from the workbook, but all the subjects are in here. And then also along with this, I have tiles and I have flashcards. So all the flashcards are in here for all of the subjects, and they come with these cute little plastic containers. So you're gonna get all the subjects in tiles and flashcards. So next you're gonna find my unit study. So this is where we're going to incorporate science and more art. So even though you're gonna incorporate art in the color section of this, we're also gonna incorporate it in here. So to give you an example, I'll show you my B unit study. Every unit study is gonna have 2 to 5 activities for every subject. You're gonna have art, numbers and counting, science, reading and writing, other activities that are just bonus activities, and a field trip suggestion. And then you're gonna have a notes page. So if you wanted to write information about field trips or supplies that you need, how to introduce bees to your child, some vocabulary pages. This one's gonna have 4 vocabulary pages. And every activity in here is gonna have a page with what you need, how to do it, and a little example. This is where you're also going to find videos on the vault. So if you wanted more of an in-depth explanation of how to do the activities, I'm posting videos on there of us doing the activities. So for every activity, if it has a worksheet or a activity, then you're gonna find it in here on cardstock. So you're gonna get 17 unit studies, and let's see what they are.
Ocean, worms, volcanoes, dinosaurs, all about me, spiders, Valentine's Day, Halloween, turkeys and Thanksgiving, seasons, farm animals, apples, 25 days of Christmas. The solar system has 2 because it's really big. Flowers, and the post office.
If you have any questions, let me know and I'll post a link for this. All right, thank you.